Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Evelyn, and I'm back again with another video on foot care, scrubbing of the foot. So welcome back, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Okay, so I'll first of all start by adding some warm water on a basin. Then I'll be adding bicarbonate of soda, just a small amount. Then I'll be adding normal salt. I'll be adding salt, and then after that I'm using food color. I just wanted the water to discolorize. Yeah, then after that I'm going to soak the legs for like 10-15 minutes. This is warm water, and therefore it is so relaxing to the legs, so it will not be a hassle when you're soaking. Then after that I'm going to dry my legs, just to pat dry it, just to remove the excess water. And then after that I'm going to use my foot file, my pedicure file, just to remove dead skin and ensure that my leg is free of dead skin. Yeah, and therefore it is going to be smooth. So one of the advantages of scrubbing your legs is that, one, you're going to remove dead skin. Two, your legs are not going to crack, because dead skin makes the heel to crack. So yeah, make sure that you scrub your legs to just remove the dead skin. I had a ton of them. That is the whitish thing that you can see. That is the dead skin. So we just scrub the whole of the heels, the heel part, using this pedicure file. Yeah, so I have other videos on how to scrub your legs, what to do if you have cracked heels. So check out my YouTube channel for more details. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Then let me know in the comment section, how do you remove your dead skin from their legs, or how do you prevent heel cracking? Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you love this kind of scrubbing, if it is of use to you, if it is helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and comment. Then after that I'm going to rinse off, just clean up the dead skin that has remained on the feet using a soap. Then you can scrub again if you are not satisfied. Then after that, pat dry again. Then use my DIY body scrub to scrub the legs, just to ensure that I remove now the dead skin on the upper part of the legs. And also on the heel part, I'm still going to go in with the scrub. So I'll be scrubbing everywhere to just ensure that the legs are clean and they are looking good and smooth, pretty. Don't forget that. Yeah, so if you'd want to know how I make this DIY scrub, please let me know in the comment section. Just comment there, and I will drop the whole all the ingredients that I have used. Then after that I'm going to rinse off the legs to just get rid of the scrub. So this is the water that I had soaked the legs with. So I'm going to go in with another set of clean water, just to ensure that I rinse and the legs are clean. Yeah, that is what I'm using. The rinsing water can be warm water or just cold water, any can do. Then after that I now dry the legs, and especially in between the toes, to ensure that I don't get any fungal disease. Then after that, moisturizing. And guys, as I moisturize and kind of massage my legs, like you can see, if you can look, they are looking good. They are looking good. Can you say that? Yeah, so they look pretty moisturized. So enjoy these, and please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment. Look at that. They are looking pretty. Oops. Yeah, so enjoy. So bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.